All of that news is also concerning to travelers, of course, both coming to L.A. and leaving for other parts of the world.
Yeah, CBS 2's Tina Patel live at LAX. She's got details on that part of the story. Tina.
Good morning. Concern is definitely growing among passengers as they hear not only about cases of coronavirus in Asia, but now more cases across Europe and the Middle East as well.
Gotta play it safe.
Patel Hernandez and his friends didn't take any chances traveling through Asia the last few weeks. They saw the extreme measures being taken to try and prevent the spread of coronavirus.
Pretty much every airport, yeah, just check our temp and everything. But yeah, it's definitely a real thing. It's going on.
The number of cases continues to rise, not only in Asia. Almost 300 people in Italy have now become infected. Still, during a press conference in India, the president tried to downplay fears of an outbreak in the U.S.
You may ask about the coronavirus, which is very well under control in our country.
But in a media briefing this morning, CDC officials say they are concerned by what they're seeing across the globe and expect it is just a matter of time before the virus starts to spread in this country. That is why they're being very aggressive in containment efforts at the borders, quarantining some arriving passengers who've traveled through areas where they could have been exposed to coronavirus. We know at least one U.S. citizen is being held in an isolated barracks at the naval base at Point Mugu in Ventura County, even though they have not shown any symptoms.
They're definitely checking everyone, especially people that were coming from China. They couldn't even go towards where we're going. They're going left, we're going right.
Hernandez hopes those efforts will be enough to keep everyone safe. He knows how lucky he is to be home and still healthy.
It passes through your mind when you see all those type of things, for sure.
The CDC says there are now 54 confirmed cases of people in the U.S. that have coronavirus. What's not clear is what's going to happen to people that came into contact with them. There had been some plans to bring some to a facility in Costa Mesa, but those plans are now on hold because of legal reasons.